Oh my God! Look at this! Charvi!
Everybody ready? Okay, boys and girls, are you ready? Okay, hands on the witches, right? Ready? 1, 2, 3. The hands on the witch go clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. The hands on the witch go clap, clap, clap. On Halloween night, the feet on the witch go stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp. The feet on the witch go stomp, stomp, stomp. On Halloween night, the mouth on the witch goes hee, hee, hee. Hee, hee, hee. Hee, hee, hee. The mouth on the witch goes hee, hee, hee. On Halloween night. Five little pumpkins sitting on the gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There are witches in the air." The third one said, "But we don't care." The fourth one said, "Let's run and run and run." The fifth one said, "I'm ready for some fun." The wind and out went the lights, and the 5 little pumpkins rolled out of sight.
Yay! Very good.
We're going to go to the bathroom, okay? Follow the line, please. We're going to go down. Go ahead.
Hi, Charlie.
Adam, that way.
Hello.
Michael, Alyssa, that way.
Go follow. Go back.
Aria. Go ahead, Charlie.
Go, Charvi. हेलो हाँ बोल हेलो श्री मी परफॉर्मन्स मध्ये आहे हाँ कोणत्या कशावर हाँ ठीक आहे ओके हो संपला पण चार्वीचा आता दुसरी क्लास चालू हाँ ठीक आहे मुझे लगा ही था रेपेंसिल का ड्रेस देखो रिपीट हो रहा है ये सब, ये जो पर्पल लोग
वो नॉर्मल होता ही है ये फेरी का या जो टर्न करना
वो देखो थॉमस इंजन एक मिनट थांब.
That concludes our little Halloween program. The curtain will close. The children are going to sit on the stage. We will dismiss class by class out the door right there at the end. So please don't everyone go running over to that door.
Hello.
The first ones out will
Hello.
be Mrs. DaCosta's
212.
class. Miss DaCosta's class is going to dismiss into the gym. So if you are a parent from
992.
Miss DaCosta's class, you may wait over there. And if you are a parent of a child in Miss O'Shea's class, Mrs. O'Shea's class is going back to their classroom. Thank you for coming.
क्या बोला? मेरे हस्बैंड को भी अभी टाइम मिला.